friends, welcome to AJ Technologies. From today onwards, we are learning the Power BI. Today's session is Power BI demo. In this demo, we need to learn what is a Power BI and what are the data analysis, how to perform the data analysis using our Power BI software. First we take the what is a Power BI. Power BI. Power BI has so many names. In that names, someone call it as Power BI is called it as Power BI is a business intelligence software. Business intelligence software, and someone is calling as Power BI is a data visualization software. Data visualization. And someone is calling as Power BI is a reporting software. Reporting software. And someone is calling as it is a data analysis software. And someone is calling as data analysis kada analytics software. Analytics software. Power BI is a business intelligence software. It is a data visualization software. It is a reporting software. It is a data analysis software, and it is a data analytics software. All are the meanings are same. Business intelligence software and business intelligence software means, and data visualization means, reporting software and data analysis software and data analytic software, all are same. First of all, first we go to who developed the Power BI software. Who developed the Power BI software. Who developed the Power BI software? Microsoft developed the Power BI software. Who developed? Microsoft. Microsoft developed the Power BI software. After learning this Power BI software, who can hire me? After learning, I will put my efforts 2 months on Power BI At the end of the day, I learned the Power BI perfectly. Who hires? Who hired? Power BI developer. After learning the 2 months of the session, if we join in any company, they are call it as our Power BI developer or data analyst. That means after completion of this course, who hired the Power BI developer? Which company hired the Power BI developer or data analyst? Data analyst. Any company, for example, if we take any company, first we know what is a Power BI, what is a data analysis. Don't worry, I will explain all the things. First we are entering into the correct process. For example, I will take any company. I am taking any company, not only single company. I am taking taking any company. Company has business data. Business, for example, any company has first business. Business. If you have the business, we must have the business data. Business data we have. For example, what is business data? We must understand what is a business. For example, if we take the Amazon, we are taking the business as a our company is a business. Our company is a Amazon. If we take the Amazon, what is the business? Amazon's business. What is the Amazon business? E-commerce business is the Amazon business. What is inside the e-commerce? What is meant by e-commerce? If we take some more companies, PNB and Swiggy, these are the companies. MediPlus, and for example our AZ Tech. These are the companies. If we take the Amazon, what is the Amazon's business? E-commerce. That means it sell the product on online. If almost all the persons knows what is Amazon doing. If we want to buy the greaser, first we will take the we will go to the website of Amazon. There we need to check what are the products Amazon have. If we need the greaser, go and search the greaser, and if we need the home household purpose or any electronic goods, that means we have all the products in Amazon. At the Amazon we have the all products. In Amazon, what are the if a customer needs to buy a greaser, what will he do? First he will go to that website and he will enter, he will search what is the product he need. After that he will purchase. The Amazon has all the information. That is the information. What information Amazon have? Customer details. customer details you have price, and inka customer details, price, sales, products, what are the products they have, products, customer details, price, products, like that, products, sales, profits, all the information Amazon have. That is a e-commerce business. For example, if we take the PNB is a banking. We have so many bankings. What are those? PNB, SBI, Kotak Mahindra. There are so many bankings are there. What are the information bankings have? Customer name, customer name, customer name, customer name, and account number, account number, inka what else? Customer name, account number, balance, and interest. What is the interest? He got. What is the interest he got? Every information is stored in business data. This business data is this is the business data. For example, if we take the Swiggy, what is the Swiggy? Swiggy is also a e-commerce, like e-commerce. If we want to take a food from Swiggy, we will order it and he will deliver. All the information is a business data. Like that, MediPlus is also a business data in a medical field. In the medical field, what is the data it has? What are the tablets? And if we have the headache, there is one, if we go to the medical shop, we will ask a medicine to the medical shop person. He has the so many companies are preparing for a single tablet of headache or stomach pain, anything. Single tablet is manufactured by different companies' name. He asked, what is the name of the tablet? Like that. He has the in his laptop. Every information is there. What are the headache tablets, and what are the dosages, and what are the companies in headache tablets, and if we purchase that one, what is the profit? All those things we have. For example, if we take the AZ Technologies, all the student information is our business is training center. Here the business is Amazon e-commerce, PNB is a banking sector, and Swiggy is a online food delivery business, and MediPlus is a medical business, and AZ Technology is a like the training center. It is a training center. In this, what is the business data I have? What are the student name? What is the demo time? And how many students are attended for the demo? How many students are paid? And how many students are paid in installment? And how many students are paying full amount? And what is the batch timings? And what is the end of the batch time? And next demo timings? All the information is a business data. According to the business data, we are creating the report. This is the what. Now we are going to now we are able to understand what is a business data, what is a business. If we have the business data, companies have the business data. Our companies have the business data. Our question is, what is the question? Who hired the Who hired the Power BI developer? Who hired the Power BI developer? Our question is the who hired the Power BI developer? Who hired the Power BI developer? Just I will give you the answer in a second. Companies has the business data. Companies has the business data. Business data. Companies has the business data. By creating the report, for creating the report, companies has the business data. By creating the report, we need the business data. Companies will analyze the data and they will create the reports? No, companies will not analyze the data and they will not create the reports. Our Power BI developers will analyze the entire data. Our Power BI developer will analyze the entire business data and they will create the reports. They will create the report. That means, note this guys, by creating reports, companies will analyze the
మమ్మీ ఆకలి వస్తుంది.
Companies will analyze the data. Companies will analyze the business data. Companies will analyze the business. Companies will analyze the business data. If we, after completion of this course, if anybody joined in any company, what is our responsibilities? To analyze the business data and we will create the report. For analyzing the data, BI developer will data and BI developer will create the reports. For this purpose we need the companies. Any company who needs the reports, that means to analyze their company profits, loss or sales, to analyze the data, everybody needs the Power BI developer. Most of the companies are hiring the Power BI developers. Now we are able to know what is a business data, what is a business, who are hiring us. It's okay. How to analyze the data? So many times we are saying analyzing the data. So many times we are repeat it again. But what is a data analysis? How to analyze the data? What is a data analysis? So many times we are saying data analysis. Now we will see what is a data analysis. What is a data analysis? What is the process? And What is the data analysis process? Let us see what is a data analysis and what is the data analysis process. How to perform the data analysis process? By using the Power BI. By using the Power BI. What I said? How to perform the data analysis process? Using the Power BI software. Data analysis. What is a data analysis? Data analysis is converting the business data into actionable data. Let us see. It means data analysis. Data analysis is a process which converts the business data into actionable data, which converts the business data into actionable data. That is called data analysis. For data analysis, we have the 5 steps, 5 process. For data analysis, we have the 5 steps, or we have the 5 steps. What are those? I will show you one thing. These are the 5 steps for the data analysis. This is OLTP. It have the Excel. This is the OLTP. And ETL actions we perform. And OLAP. This is one step. This is second one. This is the third one. And we have the fourth one and fifth one. These are the 5 steps we have. For example, I will explain you briefly. OLAP. OLTP. Sorry, OLTP. OLTP. And what we see in the next? ETL options. ETL. And what next? OLAP. And what next? Creating the reports. And what next? The reports are shared to the clients. Sharing to client. OLAP, ETL, OLAP, and creating the reports. And after creating the reports, we are sharing to the clients. Sharing to the clients. What is here? OLAPs, that means a business data. We are performing some ETL activities, and after we are analyzing the data and creating some reports through OLAP data, and that means this is the actionable information, and this information we are creating some reports. After that we will go to share the clients. We will share the clients. This is the OLAPs section. After that we will take What is meant by OLAP? What is meant by OLAP? Let us do one by one. What is meant by OLAP? You have one doubt. OLAP is a data source. Here you see this is a business data. That means SQL Server, Excel, Oracle, like this. These are the servers, databases. Who gave this data? Companies. What is this data? We said we already know what is a business data. The business data is here. Some companies are storing their data in Excel. Some companies are storing their data in SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL. There are so many databases are there. Oracle, SQL, Excel, and MySQL. So many databases, hundreds of databases are there. Companies, they are storing their business data, their own databases. The own databases is directly we are performing some ETL activities. After we are taking the actionable information to the OLAP data. This, by using this actionable information, we are using some reports. We are creating some reports. After creating these reports, we are sharing the reports to the clients. What is my question is, why we are transferring the OLAP database into the OLAP database? Directly we are creating the OLAP to reports. It is very easy now, but there are some advantages and disadvantages. OLAP has the normalized data. This is we know OLAP means business data. Business data, we have data, that means normalized data. Normalized data, that means what I said in the previous. In Amazon we have here we see Amazon have the customer details, price, product, sales, profit, all these information are OLAP. And if we take the ETL activities, OLAP, if we want to go to OLAP has the, if the customer, according to the customer requirement, we take the data from the OLTP. That means required information is at OLAP. That means unnormalized data, denormalized data is present at OLAP. That means less number of tables is present at the OLAP. That's why we are taking the OLTP data into the OLAP data. For example, if we take the reports with the OLTP data, for example, client wants to see the report. The report will hit the entire tables, entire business data. It will take so much of time. That's why we are taking the OLTP data into the actionable, we required data. That means denormalized data. Denormalized data means, sorry guys, denormalized data has less number of tables. It has more number of tables. It has OLTP data has more number of tables. That's why if the client wants to see the report, it will take the much time. That means performance issue. It will take the less time. That is better performance. That is the difference between the OLTP database to OLAP database. First we see what is a OLTP abbreviation. OLTP means online transaction process. Online, just a minute guys. Online analysis transaction process, sorry. Online transactional process. ETL means extra transform process. Extra. Extract, transform, load. And OLAP means online transactional online analysis process. Online analysis process. Guys, well, you know OLTP and OLAP. For example, what is the information? What is ETL? We must know the what is ETL. We said this is a business data. What is the required data? We take it as required data through ETL actions. What are the ETL actions? We must know what is the ETL action. First, wait a minute. Before going to that, we learn something. For example, what are the advantages and disadvantages? What are the advantages of OLAP? Performance issues and correct data. We have the correct data in OLAP. What are the disadvantages? Inconsistency of data and performance issues. Less performance. OLTP. Sorry. OLTP. Why we are not using the directly? Means less performance. Less performance and inconsistent data. Inconsistent data. That's why. And what are the OLAP? OLAP has and more number of tables. Okay, we write there now. So better performance and correct data. That's why these are the advantages of OLAP and disadvantages of OTL. We said correct data and consistency data and inconsistency data. What is consistency data and what is inconsistency data? Let us see. For example, I will take, wait a minute. This is the OLAP. For example, if this is the business data. This is the business data. This is the OLTP data. This is the OLTP data. This is the OLAP data. Sorry. OLAP data. What is here? In the first, we have the United States in the first row, and the second row US, and the third row US U.S.S. This is the inconsistent data. This inconsistent data we are converting into the OLAP. That is a consistent data. Here United States is abbreviated as US. Here the sixth row you should see United Kingdom. That is in the seventh row it is called it as UK. But in OLAP system we have every data is United States. The our Power BI developer will change the data, inconsistent data into the consistent data through ETL actions. ETL. Through ETL we are doing this Excel to this Excel, correct data. This is performed by the ETL actions. Now the guys, you know what is OLTP and what is ETL and what is OLAP. Then we get the data. We get the correct data. Here we get the correct data. We are now, what is our duty? We get the OLAP, correct data we have. After that, what we should do? Creating the reports. We need to create the reports, and after that, creating the reports, and we will share the clients. This is the process of data analysis, and this is the process of data analysis and creating the reports and sharing the clients. Sharing the clients means publishing. I will explain it. Then, what is a Power BI software? Our first question is, what is a Power BI? What is a Power BI? What is a? Now we got the what is a data analysis. All we know the what is data analysis and what is a data analysis process and what is a Power BI and what is the architecture of Power BI. Let us see what is a Power BI. What is a Power BI? Let us see what is a Power BI. What is a Power BI and architecture of Power BI. What is a Power BI? Power BI is a collection of software. Power BI is a collection of software. Power BI is a collection of software. What are those software? Let us see. What are those softwares? Instead of typing, I am just copy and paste, guys. Don't worry. Power BI, desktop. Power BI desktop. Sorry. Power BI desktop. In Power BI desktop, we have three software. Our developer, that means the Power BI developer, works 80 to 90% of work done by the Power BI desktop. The remaining 10% only, the remaining softwares we are using. In the Power BI software, we have three software inbuilt. In Power BI software, we have three software inbuilt. First one, Power Query. Power Query. Power Query. And second one, what is the second one? Power Pivot. Don't worry guys, I will explain everything. And third one is Power View. Power View. Second one. Let us see second one. What is the second? What I said? Power BI is a collection of software. Power BI is a collection of software. I said that one now. That is a Power BI desktop. And second one is the, what is the second one? Power BI service. Power BI service. And third one is, third one is Power BI report server. Power BI report server. And fourth one is Power BI mobile. Power BI mobile. These are the Power BI softwares. First, we should take the Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop has the three softwares, that is Power Query, Power Pivot and Power View. We know, guys, once again remember, OLTP, ETL, OLAP, these are performed by through using the Power Query, Power Pivot and Power View. Let us see the architecture of Power BI. This is the architecture of Power BI. What we said? OLAP data. We see OLAP data. OLAP data is here now. OLAP data. And what is OLAP data? And OLAP data is ETL actions. We go to the Power Query. After Power Query, we take the required information to the Power Pivot and actionable information. We take the reports here. We create some reports in a report view. That means we are creating the reports here. After creating the reports, here we have Power Desktop has Power Query, Power Pivot and Power View. What is the Power Query is doing? ETL options. It will do the ETL. It is a ETL software. It is a ETL. ETL software. It is a software, ETL software. What is the Power Pivot doing? Power Pivot is a database, new database used to create the OLAP. Used to create the OLAP database. OLAP database. Okay. Power View. What is the Power View doing? Power View is a reporting software used to create the reports. To create the reports. To create the reports. Guys, are you able to understand? Here we are taking the OLTP database. Power Query is doing the ETL software. ETL software means inconsistent data into the consistency data. Here we see business data OLAPs to ETL, performing some ETL actions on the Power Query. We get the correct data, consistent data, and that consistent data is transferred to the Power Pivot. It is working as a new data source. New data source. This data source is this information is transferred into the Power View. After Power View, we can create some reports. Here we are creating the reports. After creating the reports, we are publishing the reports. That means we need to transfer the reports to the clients. Clients needs to see the reports. How they will see? By publishing. Publishing means we are transferring the reports to the client server. Here we have the series Power BI server and Power BI report server and mobile series. Client sharing, publishing. How we publishing means I will explain in the next classes. Power BI service. We have the Power BI service and Power BI report servers. What is the why we have the two servers? We need the reports to one server. Each company, for some companies using the cloud. We are transferring the data to the cloud. If we transfer the reports to the cloud, we are using the Power BI server on premises. Some are using the on premises and within the laptop on premises. So nowadays all the clients are using the cloud. If we use the cloud, we don't use the Power BI report server. Here we use the Power BI server through cloud. The reports is published to the cloud. After publishing the cloud, the report is shared to the clients, and our client will see the reports. What are the reports? Let us see how the reports, these type of reports. If the client see, what is the type? This is the profit, this is the loss, this is the loss, this is minimum, like this. He is able to understand easily. That's why this is the Power BI demo. Bye guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening guys. Please subscribe our channel.